Oh shit. This shit already got curls in it. Hold on. Y'all. This is so cute. Like, yes. And it came with curls. Bitch. Who we feeling like today? It don't even need to be bleached, y'all. The knots are pre-bleached. Pre-everything. Pre-curl, pre-style. Y'all don't have to do nothing. Just watch it. We gonna hot comment though, because yeah, ain't gonna lie, this is probably the best pre-everything wig that I've received ever. Nice and full, and the curls is bouncy. Y'all just realized it goes all the way right here too. I didn't even put it all the way down. For the hating ass bitches who like to talk shit and be like, oh no, that's not Goodest, bitch, this is Goodest. Now shut up. Go buy this wig. Like, that be my hair. I'm paying all my hair. You know? What's up? I'm eating. Yeah, I'm eating. So, because they don't have anything. That's why he's been sitting for so long. Around the same time to the same girl. Second type of shit.